Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me Abdurrahman and you are watching YouTube channel Smart English Grammar. Our today's topic is about preposition. What is preposition? But before starting preposition, you are kindly requested to like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel. So let's get started. What is preposition? Preposition is a word which is used to show relation between noun or pronoun with other parts of the sentence. How you will know that this is preposition? So through the example you will understand well. So let's take a few examples. Through them you will understand properly. For example, she sat on the chair. So here we have a preposition and this sentence which connects a noun to the other parts or to the other words in the sentence, and that is on. On is a preposition and this sentence that she sat on the chair. So this on creates relationship between a noun and other part of the sentence. So let's take one another example of preposition. The sun is above the cloud. So here we have a preposition that is above, because above connects a noun and other part of this sentence, that the sun is above the clouds. So here it connects other parts of the sentence and also a noun. Let's take one another example, that there are some milk in the fridge. So in the fridge is noun, and before noun there is preposition. That preposition is in, and this in connects the other part of this sentence or other words of this sentence, that there are some milk in the fridge. So this is very easy, but remember, preposition is the most important part of the English language. If you do not use a preposition in English language or in a sentence, it means that a sentence is incomplete. So you must know about the preposition, how to use preposition and where to use preposition. For example, there is a sentence and there is no preposition, so that sentence is incomplete. For example, the cat is under the tree. So when we remove the under preposition, so it means the sentence is incomplete. The cat is tree. So it means that that cat is a tree if you do not have preposition in this sentence. So when we bring the preposition under, so then it gives us complete sense of this sentence. So that is why preposition plays an important role in a sentence. Thank you very much. This is enough for today.